You can create timed promotional offers with Amazon Deals, an invite-only program that helps you offer discounts to customers on eligible ASINs. There are two types of deals available in the Amazon store: Lightning Deals and Best Deals. Lightning Deals run for 4 to 12 hours and are ideal when you want to create urgency and drive quick sales with a deep discount. They work best for clearing excess inventory and selling seasonal products. Best Deals run for a limited number of days or throughout an entire high-velocity event. These are best suited for products where you have enough inventory to run a longer promotion and for seasonal items that benefit from more visibility. Access the Deals dashboard to get started. If this is your first deal, you'll see the Deals Benefits page. Select Create a New Deal to access the dashboard. Use the search and filtering options and select View on current or past deals to review performance metrics and deal details. To create a new deal, select Create a New Deal. Here, eligible ASINs are displayed automatically. ASIN recommendations are generated on a weekly basis. If you don't have active ASIN recommendations for deals, consider other promotion types, such as price discounts or coupons. Review the Amazon Deals Help page to see deal eligibility requirements. You can choose whether you would like to create deals one by one or in bulk. To create deals in bulk, select Download All Recommendations for up to 1,500 ASIN recommendations, or use filters to select specific ASINs. Then select Download Recommendations. You'll be redirected to the Manage in Bulk page, where you can track the status of bulk recommendations. Note, template processing may take up to 30 minutes. Select Download File from the Downloads tab under Recent Activities. Complete the spreadsheet template, reviewing the instructions on the Instructions tab. In the Deal Recommendation Template tab, input the deal schedule, review offer price, and additional required fields for each Amazon store. Once your template is complete, save the file, then select Upload File from the Manage in Bulk tool. If any issues are detected while uploading, re-download the recommendation file and go to the Error Sheet tab. Here, you can find a list of the errors made in the previously uploaded file. The errors can also be spotted in the Deal Recommendation Template tab. Once the errors are fixed, re-upload the file to continue your deal creation. To create deals one by one, use the search or filtering options to locate eligible ASINs and choose Select. Select the Amazon stores and audience you want your deal to be eligible for. Next, select a schedule for your deal. You will see a list of available weeks that your deal can run. Review the fee for your deal. Fees may change based on several factors, such as timing. Finally, configure your deal, selecting any eligible product variations of this ASIN that you want to include. We recommend including as many variations as possible. Set offer prices and discounts and adjust committed units if required. Select a featured ASIN for your deal. Review each section for accuracy, then click Submit Deal to submit the deal for review. Go to the Deals dashboard in Seller Central to get started. For additional guidance, visit the Create a Deal Help page.